Hey guys, so today we're making scones. So first of all, we're going to start with sifting 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so to that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. Excuse that. And make sure you sift them as well. Okay, so to that we're going to add 110 grams of chopped cold butter, and then we're just going to close this and mix everything well together until it becomes like sand texture wise. And I almost forgot, we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Just give that a quick mix. Liters of cold milk, and now I'm just going to use a fork to bring the whole mixture together. Now once it's a texture like this, you can just use your clean hand and mix it and form the dough with your hands. Okay, so now once your dough has come together, we're just gonna put some flour, sprinkles of flour on your surface. Put your dough and sprinkle some more flour on top. And now we're just gonna roll it. We're gonna roll it for around maybe 3 centimeters, so it's gonna be slightly thick, not too thin, because that's basically what you need. This looks about right. So look at the thickness that I've got. You can, if you want, make it even thicker. Now we're just going to use our cookie cutter. I'm using a 2-inch or 51 millimeters one, but you can use whatever you want. And we're just going to make our scones. I just dip this in my flour just so that it won't stick. And do that. So now that these are all ready and looking beautiful, I'm just going to put them on my baking sheet. And finally, the last thing we need to do is give them an egg wash. But personally, I would prefer not to put an egg wash, so I'm gonna do an egg wash alternative, which I'm going to show you now. The alternative for the egg wash is going to be 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use any milk you want, even if it's dairy-free. It's just an alternative even if you're vegan or anything like that. And 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, or you can use agave or anything like that if you have that. Just give this a mix. Oops. And now this is our alternative. Basically, it's ready. Once everything's mixed well together, you can start using it. Now brush them all with your mixture, and now they're ready to be popped in the oven. So these are going to cook on 190 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. These look absolutely perfect. Absolutely delicious. They're so easy, so soft. I tried to get cottage cream sorry, but I wasn't able to find any, and making it was too difficult. Well, not too difficult, but too long. And so I'm just using butter, which is the other alternative.